Good afternoon from Hackensack. You may have seen my video on kimchi pancakes. The recipe I had was for a pan-sized kimchi pancake, and it called for flipping the pancake during the cooking, and I just thought that was ridiculous, so I urged all of you to, if you attempt to make your own kimchi pancakes, to instead of flipping them, putting it into the oven and finishing it under the broiler. But then, of course, it occurred to me, why make a pan-sized kimchi pancake when you can make individual kimchi pancakes? And those are easy to flip. I already made 8 of them, and I have the last 4. This recipe calls for about 1.5 cups of flour. The last recipe on the previous video was only 1 cup of flour. And the sesame oil, egg, water, kimchi, and a few other ingredients. Just take a look at the old video. So I'm just finishing up the batch, and so it's time to turn these. I use sesame oil and a little olive oil here to cover this bottom of the pan, which is I think a 14-inch pan with the sesame oil. And there you are. Enjoy. So these last 4 are ready now. Just pile them on top of the other ones. And I'm going to grab some more garnish. The recipe I have calls for incorporating green onions or scallions in the batter, but I prefer to shower the pancakes with the fresh green onion. Okay, there they. Individual Korean kimchi pancakes. Enjoy.